guys, today I'll be going to show you how to do some cool patterns in a 3x3 Rubik's Cube.
So hi guys, today I'll be going to show you some cool patterns on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. The first pattern I'm going to show you is a checkerboard pattern. It's quite easy to do this pattern. The algorithm goes like this: L2, R2, F2, B2, U2, D2. So you have done the cube, the checkerboard pattern. So the second pattern is a Cuban cube pattern, and the algorithm goes like this: F, L, F, U prime, R, U, F2, L2, U prime, L prime, back, D prime, B prime, L2, U. So this is a Cuban cube pattern. So the next pattern is a cross pattern. So the algorithm goes like this: U, F, B prime, L2, U2, L2, F prime, B, U2, L2, and the top layer ones. So this is the cross pattern. So the fourth pattern I'm going to show you is called the Anaconda. So the algorithm for the Anaconda pattern goes like this: L, U, B prime, U prime, R, L prime, B, R prime, F, B prime, D, R, D prime, and then F prime. So this is the Anaconda pattern. So the next pattern I'm going to show you is called the green mamba. So the algorithm for it goes like this: R, D, R, F, R prime, F prime, B, D, R prime, U prime, B prime, U, and D2. So this is called the green mamba. Next pattern I'm going to show you is called the four spots. So the algorithm for this goes like this: F2, B2, U, D prime, R2, L2, U, and D prime. So this is called the four spots uh, pattern. So thanks for watching my video.